Now in the home page you will see there is a slider. So this is a slider and there are some items, and you see text right and here is text left. So in order to work with the slider, I am going to first check on the front end index.php, and the slider is actually here. That means the slide items start from here, you see. So this is the slide item 1, and then there is a slide item 2, so like this, and there is a slide item 3. So I remove 1 from here, so 1 and 2 is okay. So what is the difference here? The difference here is that you see when there is a text in the right, so this is the text in the right and this is the text in the left. But what happens if I remove this? Then the icon is not showing. Okay, so in order to show the icon, total 3 items are needed. Okay, so no problem. So first of all, you see the first photo, that means the top branded. If I want to identify it, for example, top branded, this is 1, and top branded, this is 2, and this is 3. So first one is this one. So here text is in the right, and in the 2 text is in the left. So how text is in the right and text is in the left? Where is the difference? You see position relative, slide item bag. So this is an extra class. I'm not sure what is the needed of class. If I refresh, you see it is the same. Okay, so there is no change. What are the other changes? So D none, D MD block, and then absolute client side, slide on, this is okay. Container height, here is the justify content end. Here if I remove it, you see now it comes in the left. So text right or left is defined by this. So justify content end or something like that. And if I use that, then another one is where, that means the photo. If there is anything in the photo, I am going to check. That is, there are 2 images, you see, B1 and B1M. So if I use it, it is the B1, and probably in the mobile version there is another photo. That means that they uploaded 2 photos. One is for the mobile version and another one is for the slider version. So you can apply the photo. That means two photos you can upload here. There is no issue. So one is for the normal, another one is for the mobile. So it is okay. So the photo that was applied here, for example here, how is the photo? If you go to check it in the main version, then I am going to inspect and going to make the dot outside the window. Now I am going to check inspect element, and here this is the photo. So here the photo is a long photo, 1920 by 600, and mobile photo is 768 by 462. So this is normal photo. So this is the thing here. As they implemented it in this way, actually I have nothing to do, so I will have to use their way here. And other things, that means the text you already have understood, so I do not have anything other with this. So justify contents and it will come in the case of where text will be right. So my task is here to create a table in order to maintain it. So I am going to create a sliders table, and in the sliders table what will be the data? So the data will be the photo 1, photo 2, and then there will be text position, so text heading, subheading, and for example the button text, button URL. So total 7 items will be here if you want to add here. So I am going to create the table with the 7 items. So first one will be ID, then there is a photo 1, then there is a photo 2, and then there is a subheading, and then there is a heading, and then there is 1 2 3 4 5 heading, subheading, button text, and there is button URL. Another one is text position. I am coming there. So here is button text, button URL. For example, these are here, heading, subheading. You can put like this, photo and this one. So it is okay. It is primary key auto increment. If you want to have any field that is clickable, okay, I am going to make all the fields mandatory for now. You must have to give all the fields, but if you want, you can make these fields optional, this one or like something like that. So it depends. Okay, so you see my sliders table come here in the structure. I will add another one after the button, that will be text position. So text position is right or left. So here Barker 10 is okay. So something like that. Now I will have to go to the admin panel in order to create the slider section here. So in the admin panel, I am going to layouts. In the sidebar, in the bottom, you can add slider. So here I will write slider view, or here I can add another one, slider view, or this or this. So slider create and slider edit, and here is slider view and here is slider. So I write like this. So now if I call here, this is the slider, that is the slider view.php page, and I am going to add here, that is the slider view.php in the admin, then the slider create.php in the admin, slider edit.php, and here I will write slider delete.php. So in the slider view and create, I will work with those first. So what I will do here, like the other items where there is a photo, for example, there is a photo category, photo product category, okay, product category view, for example this one. I am going to copy the data and slider view, paste it here. I will write the sliders, so it will be sliders, and after that I can call, that is the slider create, and here photo is okay. Here two photos, so photo 1, and here I will write photo 2, and after that I will write what, that is the subheading, for example subheading, then I will write heading, then I am going to write button text, so it will be button text, and then at another one will be button URL, and text position is there, so TA is text position. So these are my fields, and here it will be sliders table. I will get all the data, and here I can write that is the photo 1. So not like this, photo 1 is like this. So this is the photo on, and max wide, or here I can fix the wide, style wide equal to 140, and here it is not needed actually. So this is the photo 1. Similarly, I am going to copy and paste, so this will be the photo 2, and it can be 100, and then other information are subheading, so something like that, subheading, heading, button text, button URL, text position, and in the bottom it will be slider in all cases. So if I now go to refresh, you see this is the slider. Now click on add new, and when I will create the new one, so here I am going to copy this data, and in the slider create, paste it, and here it will be create slider. So create slider is this, and here it will be slider view, and in the bottom this is, for example, the photo 1, so it will be photo 1, and then photo 2 will be here, and after that there will be subheading, and here it is subheading, so like this subheading. Then I am going to write the heading here, so it will be heading, and it will be heading, subheading, heading, and then there will be what, button text, it will be button text, and then next one will be button URL, and here it will be button URL. And another one is the text position. So here I can write the text position. So text position will be a select box. So select, and here class equal to form select, and here it will be the text position, position, and here it will be option will be left, center. No, I will have only left and right. So this is the text position underscore text position, and this is the submit. So the data will be submitted, and then I will have to work with here, that is subheading. Subheading cannot be empty here like this, and then I will have to write the heading, then button text, button URL, text position. So these are the text. Okay, so now I will the photo. So photo 1 will be the first thing here. So path equal to this. So in the case of first one, path 1, so instead of path I use the path 1 here. So here also path 1, extension 1 for example. So here it will be extension 1, and this one will be slider photo. So slider underscore file name 1 is okay. Here path info 1, and then here I will write path info 1, path 1 temp, and like this. But here I will use the move uploaded file, not like this. So it is file name 1. Okay, so this is the extension 1, and everything is 1 here. You see file name 1, finfo 1. So here is finfo open of this one. This is the finfo. So straight I can call it inside, or okay, this is no problem. So finfo open is actually the function. So I will not edit this. This one and this one is okay. MIME type 1 in all cases. Please upload a valid photo 1. Please select a photo 1. So something like that. And for the photo 2, I will exactly do the same thing. Photo 2, and please select a photo 2, and like this slider, and here I will write slider photo 1 underscore, and here will be slider photo 2 underscore. So photo 1 and photo 2. Okay, fine. And then it will be okay. And in the move uploaded file, slider photo 2 underscore. Okay, move uploaded file is file name 1, and if everything is okay, then move uploaded file name 1, and then file name 2. Then in the database table I will write into the sliders, that is the photo 1, and then photo 2, then subheading, then heading, button text, button URL, text position. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 4 5 6 7. It will be file name 1, file name 2, subheading, heading, button text URL, text position. Here slider has been created successfully. Slider create. So let's do that. If it works or not, I'm going to check. Submit. You see, you must have to give all the names. So now let's do that. So in the slider, where is the slider actually? Slideshow. So first one was this one. So this is the first photo, and mobile photo is this, and subheading will be anything. Top branded, you can give top branded 1, and then there is a best bags 2025, and button text equal to shop now, for example. URL is anything. So for the first one, the text position is right. Submit. You see it is added. So photo 1 should be come here. You see photo 1, it comes here, but I am going to check if in the uploads it is coming or not. So slider, you see slider photo 2 comes here, but where is photo 1? Photo 1 is not uploaded. I will have to fix it now. So it is the photo 2. Here again check photo 2, photo 1. So here is photo 1, path 1, extension 1, path 2. Path 1 is in all cases, path 2 equal to this one, path 2 extension 2. Here is extension 2, file name 2, finfo 2, path 2 temp, mimes type 2. Here it will be actually path 1 temp. So that is the problem here, I understood. Now okay, let's do that again. That means I am going to manually delete it, and from that table I manually delete that. So again try it, refresh, add new. Now select it for B1, and this is B1M, top branded one, best bags 2025, shop now. Here is hash, position right, submit. You see now the photo is showing here. That means it is uploaded correctly. And in the text position, if you want, you can use the capitalize in all cases. That means the value will be also what is there. So in that case, the data that will be inserted here, it will be here actually right. So it is right. Now I am going to work with the slider edit option. So I am going to add slider first. So top branded, another one I am going to add. So top branded, for example, this is 2. So best bags 2025, and here position left is okay. Button text is shop now, button URL is this, and the photo I am going to select here, for example the second one, or here this one. So this one, and as a mobile menu, the mobile photo, this one. So submit. You see this is the another one. So here text will be in the left side, and here text will be in the right side here. So if I want to add another one, that can be top branded 3. So let's do that. Top branded 3 and best bags 2025. Button is shop now. This will be a star. So here it will be back 3 normal, and then back 3 mobile, and the text will be here, where text will be right side. For example, you see here text will be in the right side, so right. So it is okay. So total 3 items I have added in the slider. Now I will, for the test purpose, I add something like this, and here I am going to add any photo that can be this. And for example, I am going to add the flag photo, for example this one, and this is the flag, that is another one. So submit. You see these 2 sample photos and sample data are here. I am now going to work with the edit option. So if I want to work with the edit option, that means the slider edit and slider delete. So slider edit, I will have to work, for example, the product edit or category edit. Product category edit, copy this, and in the slider edit paste this. So here it will be slider, so id equal to this, and here I will have to write the slider. This is okay, and I am now going to work with this. This is also sliders, and edit, this will be edit slider, and here it will be slider view.php. And here I am going to check photo 1 and photo 2. So it will be like existing photo 1 and existing change photo 1. So here it will be photo 1, and here also the name will be photo 1. So this is the for the case of the first photo. So I am going to copy and paste it, and this is the photo 2, and here it will be photo 2, and here it will be photo 2. So 2 photos are here, and change photo will also be here like this. So change photo 2, and here it will be photo 2. And in the case of add, slider add, there are some other items like the subheading and all other things like this. So copy this, and in my case I am going to paste these sections. So where there is a subheading, here it will be result of this one, that is result of heading, that is result of button text, and that is result of button URL. And here what will be in this position, that is if the result of text position equal to left, then it will be selected, otherwise not. And update is here, that is also perfect. So after submission, what will happen, I will work with that now. So when he will submit it, so in the case of slider, I added this checking as a validation. So same types of checking I am going to add here as the validation. So like this. And what will be happened for this? So I am going to do one thing, that is this one, like this. So I will first update the sliders where subheading equal to this, heading, button text, button URL, text position, where ID equal to this, and the photo section will be completely separate. That means I am going to get the photo one name, and for example this is path 1, this is path 1. If path 1 are not equal to empty, that means it can be actually empty, there is no problem. But if not equal to empty, that means you want to change something, then here something will be changed. So it can be, for example, path 1, here I can write here the extension 1. So here the extension 1 will be here also, and then this will be slider photo underscore photo 1 underscore, and here it will be file name 1, and if info 1, mime type 1, here will be 1 here, and here this will be here, path 1 temp will be here, and all the mime types here will be 1. So please upload a valid photo 1, and if this is passed, then unlink the current photo 1. That means the result of photo 1. Where is the result? Result is here. That means the current data. And I am going to move the file. So move uploaded file will be this, path 1 temp and file name 1. And in that case, I will update the slider where photo 1 equal to this, file name 1 equal to this. And in the bottom, slider has been updated. It is okay, no problem. And here similarly, like the path 1, here I paste it, so it will be path 2, here will be 2, here is 2, here is also 2, like this. So if 2 not equal to empty, then it will be here, so this will be 2, and file name 2 will be here, this will be slider photo 2, it will be extension 2, and if info, here will be 2, mime type, here will be 2, here is also 2, path 2 temp, and this will be always 2 in all the cases, like this. So please upload a valid photo 2, and here it will be photo 2 result of unlink, and the new one will be here in the file name 2. And the data here will be updated like this, photo 2 equal to what, where the value will be file name 2. So this is the case of the second photo. Slider has been updated, and here it will be slider.edit, slider.php, and like this. Okay. So now let's refresh it. You see the previous two photos are here. I am going to show in my project, that is the uploads folder, and that is the slider photo. You see this one and this one will be removed, and new to one I will select. So first one, change photo 2, first one will be change photo 1, not 2. Change photo 1 will be here, and here will be also photo 1. So after the photo 1, then that the second one will be photo 2. So okay, I'm going to refresh. Now I am going to change the photo 1, that can be this flag, and photo 2 will be another flag. So let's update. You see these two photos are updated. If you go here, you see this is the new one and this is the new one. The previous two are not here. That means it is working. If you want to update the other data, that is heading, subheading, and other data, also write update. You see these data are updated. Now the next task is to delete the data. So I am going to open the slider delete.php page. Like other files that can be product category delete, I am going to copy the data from here, slider delete, paste it. It will be sliders. Similarly, it will be sliders, and unlink will be two items, photo 1 and photo 2, and here it will be slider create deleted and slider view, and here it will be slider view.php. So I hope it should work. Refresh, delete this one. You see, yes, these two are deleted. Now if you come here, you see the previous photo is not here. Now I am going to show all the sliders in the front end, and in order to work with the front end, I am going to the index.php, and here you see the sliders are 1, 2, 3 in this way. Total 3 items are here. So this is the first item, and this is the second item, and this is the third item here. So something like that. So I am going to run the loop. I am going to run my PHP code here. So PHP, and here I am going to run PHP select. So select all from sliders, and here I am going to show all the data. So nothing should be here, so remove it. And then slider data, for example, slider data equal to this. So now I am going to run this as a loop, that is the slider data as item, for example. So here I am going to write, and this one, the first one, for example, I am going to copy and paste it into this here. So now do like that, so it is okay. And here you see the justify content, that means where the text equal to in the right side. So here I will have to apply this one. So the justify content here I can write in this way. So that is if something, then echo, I will have to write this one. So if what? So if of item, then text position, this one item of text position equal here is right. So I give here the right, and if I give here the right, then the justify content end will activate it, otherwise not. Now it is the subheading. So I am going to write the subheading here. So it will be the PHP, and echo item of here will be subheading. So after the subheading, I am going to write the heading here. So this is the subheading, and this is the heading, and here will be button text. So I write here the button text here, and button URL here I will have to write, that is the button URL. So this is the thing. So subheading, heading, button text, button URL, and another one is photo. So two photo. So here first one is uploads, and this is my photo 1. So echo item of, here I write the photo 1, and in the case of second photo, that means the uploads, here it will be actually the photo 2. So item of photo 2 will be here. So this one should work without any hassle. I am going to remove and check if it is working or not. So I do like this. Now go to refresh the page. You see, yes, right side. If you go here, it is the left side, and if you go here, it is again right side. And the text is not their text. What text I gave here, that is showing here, you see. And there is a hash. If you click, nothing will happen, because there I applied a hash. So this is the slider, and now the slider is completely dynamically showing. Now I am going to work with the FAQ section. You see that there is a FAQ page, that means frequently asked question, this page. So here I am going to show all the data. So yeah, I will have to go to the admin panel. But before this page, I am going to show you another thing, that is in the FAQ page all the FAQ are showing, and in the home page there is also a FAQ section in the bottom side here, and you see only 6 items are showing, and if you click on see more, it will take you to the FAQ page. That means the FAQ will be into 2 pages mainly. So first of all, I am going to show it in the admin. That means I will control the FAQ from the admin. I am going to create page, that is FAQ view.php like this, and then another one will be FAQ create. So FAQ create, and then I am going to add FAQ delete, and another one will be here FAQ edit. So right here the edit. Okay, so now the view will be similar to area. For example, I am going to copy the data from here and I am going to paste it into the FAQ view. So it will be FAQ items or FAQs, and FAQ create will be here. Here will be only the question, answer I am not going to show here. So select all from FAQs. I did not create this table yet, but I will do that, no problem. And here is question. I will have 2 fields, one is answer, another one is question, and here will be FAQ edit and delete. So this is perfect. Now I am going to create the table. So I am going to here FAQs. How many items will be there? That is ID, then question and answer, total 3 items, right? So create it here. Here I am going to give the name ID and answer, and here is question. So ID, question and answer. Question can be this, and answer will be, for example, the big text or normal text is also okay, because I will not give long text as the answer. So here varchar will be 255, and here auto increment primary key, click on the save button. Now I am going to check the FAQs. I will have to add this into the sidebar. So go to the layouts, sidebar.php page, and here it will be FAQ, and I will go to add the FAQ here, and all the slider that are written here I will replace it by FAQ. And now if you click on the link that is in the sidebar admin, then you see FAQ comes here. If you click here, it is showing here without an issue. Now I am going to click on the add new. So new item I will have to add here. So if I want to add the new item here, I am going to copy the code from the area create.php page, and then in the FAQ create I am going to paste it. Here is create FAQ in this section, and it will be FAQ view, and in this inside this will be the question. First field will be the question, and another one that will be here, that is answer, but it is not select section, it is actually text area. So use the text area here, name is answer, but form control will be height, for example 100, or here 200 I can give here, submit. Then after submission it will come here, that is the question. That means the question cannot be empty. Also there will be answer, that is the answer cannot be empty. No duplicate check is needed. I am going to remove all from here. So insert into FAQs, and here this will be question and answer, and here it will be also FAQ has been created successfully, FAQ view, and here it will go back to the FAQ create page after adding the FAQ. So refresh it, question and answer. Here answer you can enlarge the height of the answer. That means the 200 if I use here, it looks better. So if you click on here, no, you must have to give question and answer here. So from the lorem ipsum I am going to copy, for example the first question is this, so I am going this one, and this one I can apply the question here for something like that. So submit, you see, yes, it is added without any problem. If I go to the table, you see both are added. Now the next item means the next paragraph I copy and paste it here, and from here I can add the question like this, and here it will be like this. So second one comes here, the third one that I am going to insert here, add new, and here also question will be like this one. So here will be B, so add, submit. Then the another one will be here, that is the another one. So I am going to copy it and add this as the question. So 4 items. So in the front end, how many items are here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 items I can add here without any problem, like this. So 4. Now I am going to open the 5. So it can be like this. This is the question 5, and then there will be a 6 item. So I go to add here the 6, and here I give this one like this, and then there is another one I'm going to copy. So 7, number 7 item is this. This is also a question, and then I am going to add the number 7. So 7 will become here, and this is the question like this, and then I am going to bring 8. So here I am going to bring this as a question, so like this. So 9 items added. Now I am going to add the 10th item. So here I add the 10th item, so that can be here, and after that there will be an 11th item. So copy this one, and here add this. I am going to copy this. So you see total 10, and next page 1, so 11th item, and then there will be the item number 12. So here this can be the item number 12. So total 12 items I add here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is okay. I do not need to add any more items. So fact adding is working here. So after creating the fact, there is a fact edit option, so here, so I am going to copy the data from here, and FAQ edit I am going to paste it. So like the area edit, I will work with it. So in the top section, what was here, I am going to copy, and FAQ edit in the top I am going to paste it. So it is the edit fact is okay. Fact here it is also okay, and here it will be value equal to result of question, and here will be result of answer. Okay, and in the bottom this will be update button. So it is okay. Now here from the table facts, and here it will be fact view, and here is question, and I will write question cannot be empty, then answer cannot be empty, duplication check is not needed, so I delete all the things from here. And here in the case of fact, what I will write, this will be the facts, set question answer this, and here the name will be also changed like this. Here this will be also changed like this, here also changed like this. So question answer where ID equal to request of ID, here this is okay, this is okay, and this is from the facts, the result is here. So okay, perfect. Now I am going to add a fact to test the data like this. You see it comes in the page number 2. Now I go to add down to edit here like this, update. You see now it is edited. So edit function is working here. If I go to refresh, you see the updated data is there. Now I will delete the data. So just close all the things from here, and now this is FAQ delete. So area delete, from here I copy the data, paste it here, and here I am going to write this one, and these two will be facts, and here I am going to check the fact view, and it is fact. So okay, now refresh, and now go to here number 13. Okay, it is deleted successfully. Now if I go here refresh, you see that is deleted. So fact section is working in the admin panel. Now I will show all the fact data in the FAQ page. That means in the front end I am going to show all the data. So in order to show all the data in the front end, here is index.php. There are two pages I will work with, that is FAQ and index. And in the index, if I go to check the FAQ, you see this is the FAQ section, but all the FAQs will not show here, but in the FAQ page there will be shown all the data. So you see this one is the item coming on after another. So this one, and then after that this one. In this way all the data will be shown here. Now I am going to run the query. So PHP here, PHP select, and here select all from FAQs, and here you can write anything, or I can skip this one, just remove it. Okay, so total will be not here, and here I am going to run and start this, so like this one, and after that this one I am going to cut and paste it into here, so like this one. So yes, so what thing I will have to change here, that is I am going here to write I equal to 0, and when I will be into a loop, then I plus plus I am going to write. And here you see this is the heading 18. Why 18? I am not sure what is the meaning of heading 18. I am not sure, but okay. The other things is FAQ ID. So this is important. So in the case of FAQ ID, I am going to make it dynamic. That means I am going to use the I here, and here it will be question, and here it will be answer. But why like this? Question is okay. I am going to copy, and answer starts from here. So I write here like this. This is answer, and there will be an L2 BR, so that it will show in the same format the user gives the input. And so I am going to run. I am going to remove all other items from here. So this will be like this. So all the data I am going to remove from here. So like this one. Okay. So I am going to refresh. You see the data is coming from my database. This one. So it is working. So you see, perfect. So in the home page, I will do the same thing. That means here in the home page, this one, and here will be this loop starts from here. So similar, and here you see 18, and here is the same ID, that means FAQ. Okay, so I can run the same loop. That means from here to here I can run same thing. So I am going to run this one, but here I will put a limit, because there will be, because there is a limit. So select all from facts. So I will use the limit 6. So only 6 items will be shown here, others will be okay, and I remove the other static items from here. So this item is now fully dynamic. And before FAQ page, I am going to write base URL here. So okay, now if I refresh it, it is working. If I go to the home page, then you see it is also working. So last items or first 6 items or total 6 items, whatever, it is coming here, total 6 items. If you click on see more, all the FAQ will working here and show in front of you. In the about us page, there are the static information. I am not going to show this how to make dynamic, because I am sure you can do it by yourself. So I am not going to work with this. So FAQ page task is completed. Now I am going to work with the terms page. For example, you want to change the data in the privacy policy page and terms and condition page. There are 2 pages. Just you have to give the access to the user. That is okay. So now I am going to I am going to operations, or not operations. I am going to here, that is pages. Okay. So number of columns for now will be total 3, for example. So create here, first one will be ID, and then there is a terms content and privacy content. So something like that. So here I am going to give your primary key. Terms content is, for example, the long text, and here it can be also, I am going to select as long text. And now I can put the information nullable, not a problem. But as a first item, I will have to give something. That means go to insert the data. Though there is no data, it is okay. AA for example BB. So terms content and privacy content in the pages. Now in the admin panel, how I can do that, in the sidebar I am going to show. And for example, if you want to control the pages or terms and privacy, I can write here, that is terms and privacy page, terms and privacy page. Okay, so here I can write terms privacy view, terms privacy view.php. For example, this is the thing here, so remove others. And here terms privacy, this one will be here, terms privacy view. So I will have to create a page into admin panel by this name, that is terms privacy view. I am going to edit other data. For example, in the case of FAQ edit, the data was here, so I am going to copy this and here paste it. And here the name will be terms edit terms and privacy page content. So here other things like this I am going to remove from here. So two items will be here. Form is okay for terms content, and here is privacy content. Okay, so terms content and privacy content, I am again going to see terms content, privacy content. Okay, that's good. And here existing data will be terms content, but no, sorry, it will be into the privacy content. Text area will be also here, so that will be terms content. And here editor I will call, and here also editor I will call. Privacy content and terms content, existing data is showing here, then update. So select all from where, here you see select all, this one is not needed for me. And here select all from pages where id equal to, what will be the id, 1. So I get all the data from here. So result of terms content, okay, that's good. I'm going to refresh, click here, you see the contents are loaded here. So when I am going to update the data, it is terms content. Here I can give terms content cannot be empty, privacy content cannot be empty, and update pages where terms content here, and here will be post of terms content, privacy content, and here it will show terms and privacy content has been updated successfully, like this. Here also similar to this. So now I am going to refresh. You see, if I now give something like this, update the data update is not happening. So I will update the data. So pages this where id equal to sorry, there is no request id, it will be 1 actually. Now let's do that again, a bb. So click on update, yes, now the data is going to be updated. So from the static data that was given here, I can copy the data from here and I am going to paste it. Similarly, privacy content, here you can also paste the data, update, it is working. So in the back end, the terms content and privacy content information, these are showing and working. Now this data I am going to show in the front end here. So in order to show the data in the front end, you see I have two pages, terms page I am going to open and another one is privacy page. So terms page data I am going to get from here, that is PHP, and PHP select query here, that is from the pages where id equal to 1 will be here. So write the 1 and the result equal to face. Only face is here, remove all other items. And in the case of terms, here I am going to select everything from here, and now I will write PHP echo and then result of terms content. So it is okay, simple. Similar thing I will apply here, but before applying there, let's check it. So terms and conditions, you see it is showing here, and if you now change it, for example 1 on give in the starting, so you see I edited this, refresh, you see the 1 on comes here, so that means it is working. So I am going to update the data again and update it, yes. Now the similar thing will be happen in the case of privacy policy. So from the terms I copy the data and here I paste it, and the data inside here will be this one. So the P I am going to replace by this, that is the privacy content. So if I now go to the privacy policy, you see the data is coming here. So privacy content, if I give here something like that, update, you will see, yes, it is coming here. So update is working. So now I again remove it and then update, and if I refresh, you see it is gone. Now I am going to work with the contact page. That means if I come in this page, you see in the contact page there are some information, mail address, office location, phone number. It is okay, you can manually check it. For example, you can just come to the contact.php page and manually change everything that is given here. I am not going to do that. I am going to make this contact form now dynamic. So here method equal to post, and I am going to give the name equal to only name here, and here there is a email, name equal to email, and where there is a phone number, so here I can use the name equal to phone, and in the last the name will be here message, and button will be submit, and here name I am going to work, that is form send email, send mail. So form send mail is the send message form, and it will go to the top, and I will send the email. That means any visitor will be able to send the email to the admin of this website. So here this is the post, if is set, and then post, and then this is form send mail. And here what I will do, I am going to any other page, for example where there is an action in other page, that can be where it suggests me this one, but I actually do not want like that. I am going to the admin, and in the create, you see here is the data. So this type of thing I am going to copy from here and paste it here. So if you give the name empty, name cannot be empty. There is nothing actually to have the duplication check here. Here there is email cannot be empty. If email is not valid, then email is invalid. If phone number must, you have to give, and then the message. You see this is the phone, and then there is a message. Here also message is mandatory, and all other things are mandatory. Now here I am going to not insert the data, I will just send the email. So I am going to the forget password, and in the top I am going to copy the data from here, and in the top paste it, and in the forget password you see the mail function is this, so email message. So I am going to copy, and here I am going to paste it, and in the last it will show me email has sent successfully, and it will come back to the contact.php page again, and it is base URL. So base URL will be here, and this is the contact.php page, and there is contact us. It is okay, email has been sent. It is okay, please click on the following link. No, not like that. Here it will be the visitor information, for example visitor information. Here you can put it into any heading tag, for example h3. You can write this into h3 tag, and in the last you can use the h3 like this. And there will be other items, for example name. Here actually for security purpose I am not going to work, so simply it is okay. So name, then email, then phone, and then there will be message. So it is okay. And now here you can do another thing, that is after each item you can put an extra BR here, so it is better, I think. Okay, now in the last nothing should be here. So name, email, phone, message, that is enough. And to where the email will be sent, the email will be sent to the admin. So from the admin table I am going to check the data. So select all from the admins where id equal to 1. So the fixed admin, so that means here it is the admin data. So instead of result I call here admin data, and I am going to remove other. So admin email is in my hand, so here I will write which email, admin data of email, and here it will be contact form message. You can write here new contact form. Here is contact form message. So email message will be here. That is good. I hope it should work. refresh it, and now if you click here, name cannot be empty, so that is working. So I am going to give here test user test at the rate of example.com, and test is 000111222, something like that. Nice website. So I click on send message and just wait for some time if admin received the email or not. So yes, email has been sent successfully. Now go here, you will see the contact form message. Here you will see that name test user, email is this, phone is this, message is this. So it is working actually.